You lift your arm to wave at someone, and suddenly you notice that the skin underneath keeps moving long after your hand stops. That loose, soft area on the back of your upper arm is something millions of people struggle with. But here's the truth. Most people are focusing on the wrong thing. They think it is only about fat. They think the only solution is expensive treatments, creams, or surgery. But your arms are affected by several factors working together: muscle tone, skin elasticity, collagen levels, movement, and changes that happen inside your tissues over time. And the good news? You can start improving the appearance of your arms with a simple routine that takes only a few minutes a day. Before we talk about the solution, you need to understand what is happening underneath your skin. Your arm is not just one layer. It is a combination of skin, connective tissue, fat, and muscle. When you are younger, your skin produces more collagen, and your muscles provide stronger support underneath. But as time passes, collagen production naturally decreases, muscles can lose tone, and the skin may become less firm. This is why the back of the upper arm is one of the most common areas where people notice changes. Think about your daily movements. You use your arms constantly, carrying bags, holding your phone, opening doors. But the triceps muscle, the muscle responsible for straightening your arm, often does not receive enough direct training. When this muscle becomes weaker, the skin above it has less structural support. That is why strengthening your triceps can make a visible difference. Now, let's talk about what you can do. The first step is improving blood circulation and tissue mobility. Spend a few minutes gently massaging the back of your upper arm. Do not hurt yourself. The goal is not pain. The goal is helping your tissues move better and increasing awareness of the area. The second step is activating your triceps. One of the best exercises is the close grip push-up. Keep your elbows close to your body. This shifts more work toward your triceps instead of your chest and shoulders. If a normal push-up is too difficult, start against a wall. Then progress slowly. Wall push-ups, incline push-ups, chair push-ups, floor push-ups. Progressive training is what creates stronger muscles. The third step is stretching. After training, stretch your triceps by raising one arm overhead, bending your elbow, and gently pulling it back. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. This helps maintain mobility and supports better movement quality. Another simple addition is arm swings. They are easy, require no equipment, and help your arms move through a larger range of motion. But remember something important. If you have shoulder injuries, previous dislocations, or pain during movement, do not force exercises. Pain is a signal from your body. Listen to it. Your goal is progress, not injury. There is another factor many people ignore: nutrition. Your body needs enough protein, vitamins, minerals, and healthy habits to maintain skin and muscle quality. Vitamin D, for example, plays an important role in overall health, and if you are deficient, correcting it can support normal body functions. The goal is not a magic solution. The goal is giving your body the right conditions to improve. So here is your simple daily routine. 5 minutes of gentle arm mobility or massage. A few sets of triceps-focused exercises. Stretch before and after training. Stay active and support your body with proper nutrition. You do not need expensive equipment. You do not need unrealistic promises. You need consistency. Your arms are not the problem. They are simply showing you what your body needs. Start today, stay consistent, and give your body the chance to become stronger. If this helped you, subscribe and share this with someone who needs to hear it.